So any WordPress, after selecting theme, the very important option is called add the widget option. The widget is purpose of to creating ads and earnings and add your application and add your information. So the information will be coming to here. WordPress dashboard. The option call is appearance. The option call is appearance. In this option call is widgets. I'll show the two type of widgets. Now I'm showing for first type of widget. Select your widget. Now you can see they will be support estimate widget, archive, audio, author, blogger I follow, blog status, and calendar, category, category cloud, contact info and map, custom HTML, display, WordPress, post, and even write, Facebook, page plugin, Flickr, follow blog, follow button, gallery, Goodread, Google Translate, Other, profile, image, Instagram. These are all your option call is they support by the free WordPress. These are options support by the free WordPress. You can see, including video also. And the option will be using total based on the themes. How many options we have? Sidebar 1, footer 1, footer 2, and footer 3. A simple logic I'll show you where you can add the option. Which one? Sidebar, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3. And select the footer 1. Add widget. What is showing the custom HTML. Here the custom HTML purpose add the Google AdSense code. Google AdSense code or any kind of HTML coding purpose. HTML coding purpose. Now I'm creating for image ad. You can see this. Delete. Now coming to your image. Footer 1. Add this. Now add image. Select it. Title. Be careful. I'm creating for image ad and particular footer 1. Interior ads. Copy. Paste. First, you can see your website. Any footer is there? Save. Done. Now refresh. This is my ad. What the ad will be? Interior ad. So I'm clicking for image. They're going to where? Your third party website. These are all kind of the create to design. The option call is widgets. The option call is widgets. In a total WordPress, any theme, the different option call is widgets. To add your Twitter account or Facebook page or any option of design, the total design will depend on widget option. This is one kind of interior ad. So after that, you can remove this, select, delete, and check your refresh. Any ad is there? Any private ads or any kind of WordPress template design, depend on option is called widget option. I'll show one by one in this option how to use the widgets for social media and Twitter. I'll show the particular one by one video I'll create by about widget option. If anybody asks interview question, WordPress depend on template that is called widgets. Please note that.